Governor.
Speaker's Kamukuji that had been called by the Speaker himself to update members on the charges that they already put on his desk, and they have not been receiving solutions for the same. So the members raised the issues of bursaries. You realize it's only Nairobi County, or one of the counties, that have not been able to distribute bursaries to the residents of Nairobi. There was also the issue of WDF, Ward Development Fund, that has not been working according to us. We have had stalled projects where we have not received any answers from the executive. There are so many stalled projects within the wards, and the residents of Nairobi have been asking why those projects have not yet been completed. The members are also saying that the governor is not in touch, completely in touch, both with the ground and with this assembly, the members of this assembly. 3/4 of the members who make calls to the governor, he does not reply or call back to these members. So there's a question of communication between the executive and the assembly, and there is also the issue of his failure to come out on the issue of the broad-based government. He does not give direction on the issue of broad-based government. There are some issues that are supposed to be dealt with by the intergovernmental laws that he has failed to do so. So many of these things have not been implemented. The issue of motions, the bills that have been passed before this parliament, before this assembly, he has not taken any implementation step. And we are very cautious on these issues. That's why members came on board and they decided to discuss these things with the Speaker.
Yes, we have had several attempts to impeach the government. Are you finding with that?
One of the resolutions that have been passed by the members here today is that both the governor of Nairobi and his deputy must start packing. And we are not threatening, we are going to do it. It will start very soon, and all members are coordinated, and we believe that by next week we'll be having a retreat on the same. Today what we had here was about 96 and over members who attended Kamukunji. Remember, this assembly has 122 members, so therefore we are over and above the numbers that are needed to impeach both the governor and the deputy.
So signature collection can it happen and still on recess?
The collection of the signatures will go on as long as it is the Speaker who has called the retreat. Members are free now to collect the signatures there. It is not the work of the Speaker to collect the signatures, but the motion can be initiated by a member of this assembly.
Yeah. Are you willing to do that?
Yes, we are. We are ready like yesterday. I wish this resolution, we made it 3 or 4 weeks ago. We would be very far. Even if it means calling for a special sitting to deal with this specific agenda, we are ready to, and we are asking the Speaker to call for that special sitting so that we can deal with that agenda. Yes.
Thank you.